Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to our channel. As you know, that in this digital era, there are so many ways to make passive income. And today I'm going to talk about one major way, and that is creating an online course. Now, if you've been following my channel, I have a series. I've already done one video on how to create your course in 7 steps. I'll put a link below. Well, this second video today is going to be talking about 4 proven ways to find your profitable idea for your digital course. So if that is something you are interested in, keep watching. Okay, so let's get ready. Got that pen, you got that paper. 4 proven ways that you can come up with your profitable idea for your online course. Number 1, you want to solve a specific problem. Number 2, you want to use what you already know. And number 3, you want to make sure you check out what's popular. And number 4, then you want to try out your ideas. So get that pen and get that paper and let's dive in. So how do we come up with a proven or profitable idea? We don't want to just create a course and go through a whole lot of time creating a course for no one to buy it. We want someone to buy it. Now, we're in an era where creating an online course is huge for your business. If you're a coach, a consultant, a trainer, speaker, author, creating an online course doesn't have to be hard, doesn't have to be long, especially with AI. We're going to talk about that a little bit today too. So number 1, solve a specific problem with your course. Don't try to put the whole kitchen sink in your course. You want a course that solves one problem. For instance, I created a course on how to build an email list, an engaged email list. That's one problem. You want to think of what are the problems that your ideal audience is, what may they be having challenges with, and pick one problem per course. So I hope you're writing this down. Your people may be struggling with content. Well, you might create a course on how to come up with content for your ideal audience. So one problem, one specific problem. Number 2, you want to use what you already know, okay? And if you don't know me, I am Marshalyn Hudson, and I am an online marketing and AI strategist and leadership coach. Now, I've been in the field, in these trenches a long time, and I know a lot. And so I want to use what I already know. And so for me, I know branding, I know leadership skills, I know content creation, I know how to use AI. Well, you want to write down about 5 or 6 or maybe 10 things that you already know, that you feel comfortable with, something from your experience, something from your expertise, something that you feel good about, and you say to yourself, I can teach a course on this. A course doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be drawn out. It can be a course with 5 to 6 modules, and each module can have 10 minutes in it. So it doesn't have to be that. And with AI, it makes it even easier. So number 3, you want to check out what is trending. Find out what people are interested in. Sometimes I will go to Amazon, and I will just type in my topic. If there are a lot of books on that topic, people are interested in it. You may go to Udemy, UDMY, and that's a platform where people put many courses up there. If you see a lot of courses on your topic, that's a good idea. You might go to groups, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. If you see people asking questions about your topic, that is a great topic. Sometimes people say, well, Marsha, what if all of that's going on is too congested? It's too many people. No, that's not what that means. That means it is a big demand for it. It's 4.6 million people online. You can find your tribe for your course. So try out some places to see what's trending. Amazon, Udemy, groups like Facebook and LinkedIn. So look at different places, and when you see topics and questions around something that you're interested in, that is a great topic. We're talking about how to create a profitable topic for your online course. Now, I hope that I've been giving you some good value, and I hope you're getting value from my channel. So if so, I hope you'll become a subscriber and hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, which is about once a week, you will get notified. So let's go to the fourth one, the fourth and last one. The fourth fourth thing is now you want to try out your idea. Okay. So when we're talking about creating a mini course or an online course, before we just do the whole thing and create everything and take a long time, let's try it out. So how could you try out your idea? Well, you could probably create a short lead magnet, like a PDF, with some tips or tools on your subject, and if people download it, that means they like it. Or you could create like a 2-minute or 1-minute little video around your course, and if people are listening and they like it, that means that's a great idea. So creating an online course is such a great idea for your business and to add as a part of your services or products, because it can open so many doors, and I'm definitely going to talk about that in another video. So let's do a summary before we wrap up. So let's say you're thinking about creating an online course, and I hope you are, and you think that this will help my bottom line. This can help me have passive income. This can help create visibility for me. This could create help me to position myself as a leader in my field. Plus, it's fun now that you have AI. And so if you're thinking about that, so you want to come up with a profitable idea, and this is when AI comes into play. So once you have written down and you've done your homework and you're like, these are great ideas, go to AI. Go to a tool like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or your favorite AI tool, and then you put in the information about your field, your niche, your audience, your idea, what you're thinking about. You put in your pain points, because you definitely want your course to hit a pain point. You put in their challenges, you put in their desires, and you remember, you pick one specific problem to solve, and then you ask AI, and it will give you all of this great data to help you with your profitable idea. So now you come up with, and you're like, wow, this is the topic for me, right? And so you have your topic, your profitable idea topic, and then you go, like we talked about, and you make sure that it's something that you feel comfortable with. It's something that maybe you've experienced or you have expertise in, or maybe you've read some books on it and you've done some training and you feel good. It doesn't have to be a lot, and it doesn't have to be long. And we are going to talk about creating an online course, and one day I'm going to do a training on the actual content for each lesson. And so the third thing is, you've gone and you've done your research, and you know it's popular, you know it's a demand, because you've gone to Amazon, you've gone to Udemy, you've gone to Facebook and LinkedIn group, and you know people want it, and you know it's in demand. And then the last thing, you want to test that idea out with maybe a lead magnet, something that you create in Canva, you give away for free, and see if people download it, or maybe a 1 to 2 minute little video or audio series. And if people are biting, if they're getting it, you know that you have created a profitable topic, a profitable idea for your online course. Creating an online course and adding it to your products or services as a coach, a speaker, consultant, trainer, author. This is going to help grow your brand, help grow your business, bring in more revenue, bring in passive income, and above all, it's going to help take your business to the next level. So don't forget, as I always say, the secret sauce to your success is you. So don't forget, it's the time for you to say, it's time for me to create a course. Hope that these tips have been helpful for you. Hope you wrote these things down, you put them into action, and until next time, continue. And I say, to your abundant success.